Hope everybody's having a Bealy good day. Back out the farmhouse, been a little while. Been a rough couple weeks for our family, but back at it. And gonna show you some updates and a little bit of what's going on. Also trying out a new mic. Went back and forth a little bit. One of the subscribers recommended a piece that allows us to add a mic to the GoPro. That's been pretty cool. So I shot some of this already and used my directional mic, and now I'm wearing the lapel mic. So we're gonna kind of play around and see which is better, and go from there and see how it goes. All right, main thing that has happened since the last video is the HVAC system is almost completely roughed in. I'll show you some of that. So these are the vents. Master bedroom has 3. And every bedroom gets a big return. So 3 big returns like that, and then 1 return in the family room. I'll show you that. Also put some small vents in the closets. I'd asked about that. He said, well, since they're exterior walls, did that. So they just have a little small feed, but this is the master closet's kind of big anyway, or decent size. So I didn't see there was a problem in having some airflow in there. Plumbing's all roughed in. See how this works out. It's a little tight with the sinks in this corner, but since this is not really the master bath, it's a shared bath. So the girls will be using this bathroom too. So got them their own sink where they can keep all their crap at. So see how that works out. Ended up getting, hard to find the shower pan I wanted. Ended up getting this one. I'll put a link where all this came from. This one's the one where you can tile it, so it's gives you the peace of mind that it's not going to leak, but because it's formed in a mold one piece, but you can tile it. So you got that. The pan's in for the hall bath. A lot of the lights are up and working. So we're putting a can at the entrance. We're going to put 2 cans over the shower. In the middle, there's going to be a rain shower head. Speaker will go here, a single dual tweeter. Dual tweeter speaker lets you get stereo sound out of a single speaker. Couple speakers go back here. There'll be one a little bit further up, probably more where that strap is, in between the strap and the vent on either side. We're doing 4-inch round. They have a little square grill option, so I'll probably do that to match the can lights. So it'll be a speaker on either side over the bed, and TV goes there, and it gets a sound bar, and I'm gonna wire for a subwoofer too, because why not? So this room will have surround sound, putting some sconce light out here that we still have to run. This gets a deck, and the deck continues on past the corner of the house and ends at the corner of the patio, and then there'll be steps that walk down to the patio. So all the can lights are up in this bedroom. I went ahead and popped the lights in temporarily so we can see. We'll take those back out at sheetrock time. Gives everybody some light though. They appreciate that. Can lights are up in the family room. Returns right there. And a vent over each window. We still got to cut the can lights in the kitchen. We haven't done that yet. They've cut their vents in. The laundry room stuff goes here in this corner. Once we're able to do the addition that we want to get more space, then we'll have a dedicated laundry room when we do that. But right now it'll be in a cabinet in here. Ran 6.3 for the double oven, which is, it's a red, white, black, and a ground is what 6.3 is in America. I don't know if that's different elsewhere. I ran a 6.3 for the cooktop. Normally you can get by with an 8.3, but we're thinking about doing the induction cooktop, and if we do, it's 50 amps. So anyway, ran that so we can decide we're kind of future-proofed and go with that. Island goes here, so we have to run some wires for that. Fridge ice maker pieces in. Did a vent over the door, and we've got a return in this bedroom. We decided not to go through the old metal roof, so we're doing a Studer vent there. So we kind of cleaned up some, swept up. It's good to keep a clean area. We will go in and vacuum up everywhere before installation time once everybody's done drilling holes and all that good stuff. We put one can light over top there. Of course, all these wires, once we're done running wires, we've got wire separators and all that gets neatened up. I'll show that in a future video. We'll go ahead and probably make these can lights hot too so we can see in this area. This area gets some lockers. So when you come in, everybody's got a place to put their crap. I was gonna put some can lights in here, but I don't think I am now because these lockers will each have a light that shines down inside them. All right, so working on a couple videos, taking some time. So, I may pop out these short videos, kind of show updates and everything in between while I work on those that show, I want to do a detailed before and after of the transformation Chris made. And I'd like to do one on the history of the farm, some things we've dug out. And I also am working on a video that talks about if you want to do your own project, something like that, and you're going to need subcontractors, how do you find them? The problem, the very real shortage of skilled labor in America, things like that. So we're going to delve into that a little deeper and give you some info on how you find people and the processes and everything else. So stay tuned. One thing that happens a lot when you're working on a project is lists, right? And I make the list in notes on my phone so I can share it and go over it with everybody and all that. But I'm still old school too. I like to write it down and mark it off. It feels good when you mark it off. Plus, it's just open, it's over on the counter. So, we're going through things like, what's still left to run. All right, this is stuff, all that wire we've got, we still have all that left. It's a ton. The dryer 10-3, cut the holes for the can, 2 cans for the sink, toe kit, 12-2 for an Insta-Hot at the sink, the vent hood wire, 12-2 outlet near the cooktop. We already ran 1 outlet. Dishwasher, fridge, microwave, island. So, the list goes on and on. Doesn't it, Josh? Mm-hmm. That's right. But we get it done. Well, Josh gets it done. I just kind of supervise. He looks happy about it. Well, end of the day, when I started filming, you can see the difference in the color of my shirt from the sweat. And this was a relatively cool day today. Had downpour for a few minutes. Don't know if it really helped that much because it didn't last that long. But anyway, got a few things done today. We concentrated on the kitchen. We are pulling individual feeds for most everything. So that's the dryer feed, 10-3. Let's see, one of those is the wash machine. One of them is the outlet to the right of the sink. Then we've got a feed for the dishwasher, a feed for the start of the outlets to the left of the sink, and a feed for an Insta-Hot. We'll go ahead and wire for it. Don't know if we will have one to start with, probably will, but better to go ahead and wire for it. Wire for the exhaust fan hood for over the cooktop. The jumper that goes to the outlet over there, and then we're also going to have another one in the corner. I guess that is actually, that's why there's 2, because it's a jumper. It goes to the outlet, then it jumps out to another one. I was like, what else is over there? Microwave, and that's the big feed for the double oven. And we've got to run at least one in the crawl space for an outlet in the island. Might run 2, I don't know yet. Oh, and a feed for the refrigerator. So I think we got it all covered. Did some little cleanups and stuff we need to do upstairs. And I don't know if I went up there. Let me go up there. I don't know if I went up there earlier in the video or not. So if I did, then You'll only see this once, because I'll edit it, but if not, you know. So there's the unit, goes over to that distribution box, and then there'll be a feed over here. It goes to another distribution box, and then you know, it feeds everything, because we are zoning it so the master suite has a zone and everywhere else is the other zone. Still a whole ton of work to do. All right, so done for today. Gonna make a run by Chris's farm and see if it's too late to pick up some sausage, because I missed the farmer's market. See y'all in the next one. Lights off.